Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemical Funda. In today's video, we are going to see factors influencing SN1 and SN2 mechanism. First factor है nature of substrate. The transition state of SN2 mechanism is pentacoordinate and thus crowded. ये जो कार्बन है ट्रांजिशन स्टेट में इसे 5 डिफरेंट एटम्स और मोलिक्यूल्स अटैच है, देयरफॉर इट बिकम्स pentacoordinate. This SN2 mechanism is favored in primary halides and least favored in tertiary halides. See, this is methyl halide. Here primary, secondary and tertiary groups. SN2 mechanism is favored in primary halides because for the primary halides there is a less steric hindrance. For the primary halides or for the primary carbon, only one group is attached to the central carbon atom. In secondary carbon, 2 carbon atoms are attached to central carbon atom, and in tertiary carbon 3 carbon atoms are attached to central carbon atom. Because of the number of carbon atoms increases, steric hindrance is also increases from primary to secondary and secondary to tertiary halides. Therefore, SN1 mechanism is favored in primary halides because in primary halides there is very less steric hindrance and nucleophile can easily attack on the central carbon atom. Planar carbocation intermediate is formed in SN1 reaction. It has no steric crowding. Therefore, bulky alkyl groups can be easily accumulate in planar carbocation. SN1 mechanism is most favored in tertiary halides and least favored in primary halides. See, for SN1 mechanism, there is a formation of carbocation, and this carbocation is more stable in tertiary halides. So, tertiary carbon or tertiary carbocation is more stable than primary carbocation. This is primary carbocation, secondary and tertiary. Tertiary carbocation is more stable by the plus I effect. ये जो मिथिल ग्रुप है यहाँ पे, ये मिथिल ग्रुप will show plus I effect and it will stabilize this carbon atom. Therefore, tertiary carbon atom and tertiary halides are more stable. And as this tertiary carbocation is stable, rate of SN1 reaction is more in tertiary halides. Therefore, SN1 mechanism is most favored in tertiary halides and least favored in primary halides. You can see for the SN1 reaction, methyl halide, then primary halide, secondary halide and tertiary halide. Rate of SN1 reaction will be highest in tertiary halide and rate of SN2 reaction will be highest in primary halide. If we'll see primary, secondary and tertiary. Tertiary halides mostly follows SN1 mechanism. Tertiary halides follows SN1 mechanism. Primary halides follow SN2 mechanism and secondary halides follows either of the mechanism or by mixed mechanism depending on the situation of reaction. So this is all about SN1 and SN2 reactions, their reactivity order for the nature of substrate. I hope you understood this concept. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me in a comment box. Until then, watch my video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. So thank for watching. Thank you.